Duckeanthus. Duckeanthus is a genus of plant in the family Annonaceae. It is native to Brazil. It contains a single species, Duckeanthus grandiflorus. Robert Elias Fries, the Swedish botanist who first formally described it, named it in honor of Adolpho Ducke, who collected the specimen he examined, and its large grandis in Latin flowers. Description: it is a small tree. Its mature branches are smooth. Its internodes are 3–5 cm longitude. Its hairless petioles are 5–7 mm long and 3 mm thick and have a deep groove on their upper surfaces. Its papery, elliptical leaves are 19–23 by 7.5–10.5 cm. The leaves have bright green hairless upper surfaces and yellow-green hairless lower surfaces. The tips of the leaves come to an abrupt tapering point about 2 cm longitude. Its leaves have about 10 secondary veins emanating from either side of the midribs. The secondary veins arch toward the leaf tip and join one another for 6 mm before reaching the margin of the leaf. Its inflorescences have 1–2 flowers and are emerged from extra axillary positions. Its white flowers are on 2 cm long, erect, hairless, warty pedicels. The pedicels have a 2 mm long bract at the base and about halfway up their length. Its round triangular sepals are 15 by 15 mm and come to a point at the tip. The sepals are hairless on both sides, but are often warty. It has 6 fleshy petals in 2 rows of 3. Its outer petals are 3 by 2 cm, have silky hairs on their inner surfaces, and come to a shallow point at their tip. Its rhomboidal to oval inner petals are 4.55 by 2.53 cm and covered in sparse hairs. Its 2.5–3 mm long stamens form an androecium 1.5 cm in diameter. The connective tissue between the lobes of anthers is overgrown to form a flat cap covered in short hairs. Its narrow, oval ovaries are 1.5 mm long and covered in mouse-colored hairs. Its bristly stigmas are 1.5 mm long. Reproductive biology. The orange pollen of D. grandiflorus is shared as permanent tetrads. Habitat and distribution. It has been observed growing in wet forest habitats.